نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected teacher and my dear guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. When Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu accepted Islam, today I am going to talk about a person who was known to be one of the bravest person in the non-Muslim, and he was the bravest person in all Quraysh. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam prayed for him, Ya Allah, made him Muslim. Ya Allah, made him Muslim. So one day he was going with the intention of killing our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. When the way he met with a person who was known to be one of the companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. His name was Hazrat Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He said, "O Umar, where are you going?" He said, "I am going to kill Muhammad." Na'udhu billah. He said, "O Umar, first you go to your home and see your sister and her husband, that they have become a Muslim." He said, "Oh," and then he went to he went to his sister's home and said, "Why did you become a Muslim?" He said, "Give me those pages." He said, "First take bath, then come." Then he said, "Taha ma anzalna alayka al-Qur'an litashqa illa tadhkiratan liman yakhsha." Then he said, "Take me to Muhammad, I am accepting Islam." And he went to Muhammad and he said, "Tell me la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah," and he accepted Islam. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.